Hey, welcome back to the COVID-19 channel. I'm making a few tweaks to my COVID-19 vaccination report. I'm adding the U.S. Already we have the world daily and cumulative totals, Israel daily and cumulative totals, and now I'm adding some the totals for the U.S. also. Okay, and the reason this is now why Israel? Why Israel? Well, because Israel has a population of about uh, 9 to 10 million people. Okay, 9 to 10 million people, and uh, and also they're fairly technologically advanced. I mean, they're clearly a modern country. I mean, that's no size. Uh, so I'm going to use this as sort of as a litmus test, the barometer to see how COVID-19 affects the COVID-19 cases and deaths in Israel. Okay, let's just come back over vaccine country. Let's look over here. Did I have population over here someplace? Okay, so they come up here. Israel population is this. So we're going to come back up here where it says total cases. Okay, we're going to come. Well, let's just put in a new section here. Okay. So what we have to do is we're going to calculate the percentage of the Israeli population that's been vaccinated. Okay. So we're going to do total population divided into total vaccinations. All right. So IS, I'm going to say total vaccinations divided by population. Let's just run this now. So this will give us the rate of vaccinations, okay? Okay. Underscore. Continue. Let's see, we got her now. So if this is correct, they've already, uh, hmm, Let's do this. Okay. Now, this certainly is interesting. So let's come back up here now. Let's just do this. Okay, we're going to change this. Okay, this is interesting. U.S. is currently at 6%. 6%. Currently, U.S. vaccinations are at 6% of the total population. All right, so that's interesting. All right? Okay, so now let's run this report from the top again. Take a second look. So we come all the way back up to the top. Let's start with the world. You can see that the world is currently the world is at over 60, 70 million cases, vaccinations so far. Worldwide new vaccinations by date. Okay, you can see that there's some volatility. 3 million deaths here, only 2 million vaccinations here. Total vaccinations by the top 5 countries. You see that the U.S. has the most total vaccinations, okay, but not the highest percent. United Kingdom and Germany. Now these are the cumulative total vaccinations. This is the total new vaccinations for the nation of Israel. Okay, 200,000. The cumulative total vaccinations about 4 million, and Israel's vaccination rate. So far, they've vaccinated about 45% of their population. U.S. vaccinations by date, okay, interesting enough to start to decline here a little bit. You can see it spiked at 1.5 million back here. And unfortunately, the U.S. only has about so far total vaccinations, cumulative totals are about 25 million, but only about 6%, 7% of the population. So that's kind of interesting, I would think. Let's go ahead and post this up for another day.